If you've been looking at newer homes in the Vero Beach area, but wishing that they had a real yard, well, this home just might check off a lot of your boxes. Built in 2020, this home still feels new with 4 spaced out bedrooms and just over 2,000 square feet of living space. Out back is where this home really sets itself apart, sitting on just over half an acre, which is double the space of most lots in the neighborhood. And smart features already in, like an EV charger and generator hookup. Tucked in a quiet cul-de-sac in a gated community with pool and just minutes to grocery in our famous beachside. You've got room to breathe, space to entertain, smart features already in place. It is low maintenance living with long-term peace of mind.